Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And some of you are familiar with my Amazon store, which you can get to by using the link that's in the description below each of my videos. And this is just a web page on Amazon that you're allowed to set up. Almost anybody can do this. And you put stuff in your web page that you want people to be looking at and possibly purchase. And so most of the stuff that I review on my shows up in here. You can click on one of these and it'll take you to the Amazon page, and you can look at the details and decide whether you want to buy it or not. If you purchase it, I get a small commission in the form of a credit on Amazon. And then I use those credits to buy more stuff to review on my YouTube channel. Also, if you come to my Amazon store and you find something and you click on it, and then when you read the details, you decide, I don't want that right now, and you go and buy something else while you're on Amazon, I get a small commission on that. It could be birdseed, vitamins, whatever. So that's what I've been doing for several years now. And Rob, 741 channel, introduced me to a new feature that people can do, which is upload videos on Amazon and get those approved and then posted along with the particular product. And if a person watches that video and they buy the product, I get a commission. And these are not necessarily things related to my Tom's Radio Room show. For instance, right here is one I did. This is of my veggie garden, which I thought was a very popular item, so I thought maybe I can make some sales off of that. Here's a cover for my cell phone. Matter of fact, do I have that still up? I had that up here. So there it is. This is the video that I did, very short video, 2 minutes, on that cover. Has nothing to do with my YouTube show. Let me close this. And so when you go to this, and you're on Amazon, you go to this, and it has to be something that you purchased and you did a review on. So I purchased this last year. Down here, in this list of, or these pictures, down here is one marked videos. And now there are 2 videos on this particular one. This video is not mine. You click on this, and it will show you the first one. I'm not the first one. Mine is the second. This is the case for the Samsung. So if you watch that video and you purchase the item, then I get a commission. And what Rob tells me, that he has noticed that if they watch the video but they don't buy that item, but they buy something else while they're at Amazon, you get a commission. So this should help expand my commissions on Amazon, which I use those commissions in their entirety to buy more things to review on my YouTube channel. So hopefully I'll get some more sales this way. Not really sales, but more commissions based on videos that I've uploaded. So you will now see this on my Amazon store. You'll start seeing these videos, and a number of them will not be things that I reviewed on my YouTube video. A lot of them will be, like if I come back here, is the power tower that I reviewed on my show. This is the batteries that I use that I reviewed on my show. And it takes a while for them to review and accept your videos. As a matter of fact, I got approved, authorized this morning or sometime this morning, and I noticed only one of my videos, the one I showed you, shows up under the products. So they haven't posted all my videos to the products, so I'm not going to make a commission that way. But if you come to my Amazon store from my YouTube channel and you watch one of these videos on the product page, then if you buy it, I get a commission. So that's just another potential source of income. Rob said he's doing pretty good doing this. He's uploaded about a dozen videos. I had initially done this last month and I made a boo-boo. You can only link your video to the actual product, not products similar. And I misread it. I thought you could do both because they give you 10 tags that you can use for each video. And since there's only really one item, I don't understand that unless there are multiple sellers selling the same item, and then maybe you can use multiple tags. So that's it. I also want to do a quick show, well, maybe not a quick show. I want to do a show where I go through my Amazon store and I point out radios and things like this book right here that I reviewed that I think are something that you should get yourself. Like I'm trying to find, like this is, I think this is the new, yeah, this is the new Sangean ATS 909X2. Just came out end of last year. And it's about, let's see, $256. So my normal commissions have only been running in my Amazon store about $35 a month. So it would take me a while to get that. But if this new thing with these videos catches on and I do as good as, or even half as good as Rob does, I'll be able to buy that video right there and do a review for you. So that's what we're going to try. That's what we're trying to expand things, trying to be able to get more things so that I can review them for you. So I would appreciate your support. I appreciate everybody that's used my Amazon store. Now, I do not know who bought what. They don't tell me. Amazon doesn't tell me. They do tell me what was purchased. So I can see what people are buying. And a lot of people are not buying stuff that's in my store. They're buying like birdseed, stuff like that, which, like I said, I still get a commission on because they came to my store. So that's great. And I've been making about $35 a month using that to buy some of these cheaper radios that I've been showing you recently. But I want to make a little more commission so I can buy these high-priced radios and show them to you like this one right here. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.